All right, welcome back. Today we are looking at a very unusual and rare engine, in my opinion. The MetCalfe Manufacturing Company, 6 horsepower, Quincy, Pennsylvania made engine. I believe there's only maybe 3 of them known to exist, and I don't think the other 2 are tagged MetCalfes. Kind of an interesting story behind them when I tried to research it. Apparently he started building steam engines in maybe the 1880s. He lost his shop, burned down somewhere along the lines of 1905. I believe he became part of Geyser, and a couple of his early engines, probably made with him and his son, I would guess were probably started around the late 1895, 98 until probably around 1902 or 03. And he definitely designed all the early Geyser engines. Apparently there's a very kind of same style engine that is local in Pennsylvania, owned by Jim. I'm going to see if I can get some footage of that, but I don't know. It's a very beautiful early side shaft engine I had never seen before. So thank you so much to Justin for sharing it with us. This was the first time I ever saw it, was the 2025 Berryville, Virginia domestic show. Hope you'll enjoy the footage. Thanks for watching.
Feeling good, and it wasn't no thing. If I had something that he could check, it wasn't no thing to be
Giving it
I was feeling good enough that maybe I could have went. We went on the Friday.